All right, guys. I wanted to make one more video before the day ends because this is also another stock that I think a lot of people just totally forgot about. And it's sad because it has such a good move and it pulls back and it's in the resting phase. The ticker is BURU, stock BURU. And I alerted this in the Discord too. And the reason why I'm going to tell you guys why I liked it. If you looked at the swing trade alerts, as always, just to show you guys um, why I liked it and all that. I put in here, I like BURU because it's a continuation of the trend and we are near the daily EMA 50. As you guys know, I'm a big fan of EMAs. When EMAs are below price, they act as support. Look for candlestick structure, and you can see this is the image I posted. And I got in at that area at 28 cents. So I got BURU at 28 cents. It did not stop me out in this. I got in right here at the end of the day. Remember, I usually buy at the end of the day. It was looking a little bit scary here. I thought I was going to take I was down like 8% of my position. But it did recover and it made a monster move here. And look at how fast this thing can move. All right. I mean, this thing went up 77% from the lows. Just keep that in mind. That was a 23 all the way up to here was a 77% return. All right. I am still holding my 28 position because I put my stop loss, I put my stop loss break even. And since it recovered, the market hours didn't touch it at all. Sometimes it's like this, but no matter what, if I see I'm down 15% on my option, I'll probably just take it out because I don't want this to keep going down. Okay. I got probably really lucky that it did go up, but here's what I see on the chart. All right, if you look at the daily chart, anytime you see price coming up into this EMA 50, that is usually strong support. And you can also see this gap fill here. Literally to a T, a common thing people like to say is, oh, it has to fill the gap before the next leg up. Sometimes that happens, right? So price made this big move up, and this is what you call the beginning stages of a bull flag. When you have a big move up, and it's like you running a marathon, what happens? You cool off. You come back down, you cool off, you consolidate, or you go to bed, and you rest up for the next marathon. And that's what this stock does. It had to move up where it was up. I mean, this thing ran up. Well, let me delete this. It went up from the lows. I mean, this was over a 500% return, almost 600. And so basically, it's cooling off into these EMAs, and this is our next leg higher. I think, call me crazy, but if this thing has any nice little catalyst, this could retest the highs. I really think so. I now don't keep me accountable and be like that's my target. I've already took some profit on BURU because if it does come back down, why would I lose out on 30+% gains and it hits my break even? I'm like, dang, I didn't take any profit. So keep in mind, I am going to take profit as it goes. But I'm looking at certain levels. Like I got to see this break here. This is your next resistance. We are in this resistance area right in here. So if I could see us change a structure, to me it kind of looks like we are having a switch and change. You can see this doji looking candle here. That just basically says there could be a change in what's happening, right? So we have this bottoming out motion. I personally think we're going to have a big move up. We have a lot of green volume. You can see right in here. So this is my continuation trend strategy. This is not where I'm looking for trades near the lower band. It's not looking for time distance of EMAs. It's just, do we have a big move up, bull flag, reversion to the mean? If it does it this fast, it makes it even better. I mean, look at all the different stocks that made a big squeeze. You can look at all of them. Like Open was one of the biggest. You want to catch them when I talked about this. You want to catch them in this early stage where it made a big move up, bull flag pattern, comes quickly back down, and then it makes this next move up. All right, and that's what you're seeing. But BURU has an even better thing because it's right on that daily EMA 50 faster than Open. When it hits it faster like this, usually the 20 is a nice little bounce and you go break even. As you can see, you go up 28%, but what happens? It hits your break even and then you look for the next level. And when you test levels multiple times, it can go to that next level. So I know a lot of you guys totally forgot about this, but like I said, any stock that has a billion volume on a day is not something to take lightly. This had a billion volume. I mean, look at this. It had 2 billion volume days here. So, I mean, this is definitely on my radar for the best continuation trend falling. Can we get to 80 cents? I'm not going to guarantee anything, but I will say I think we could have a nice little squeeze on this one. So be on the lookout. Stop losses break even. If it does come back to my 28 cents, I will break even. I got plenty of cushion now. It's up pretty good bit for me. I can scale out and trim it as I want, and this is the position you want to be in. So I'm still holding it. So that's my update on BURU. A lot of people think I left it. No, I'm not leaving it. Sure, it's not, it might be boring at times. So it might not do as much like the other movers, but this thing is, if a slow staircase up is better than just a big move up and then big move down. So BURU, best continuation trend following with nice news. Any catalyst right here would make this go up massive. And it's got the volume, 500 million volume today. So it just started picking up the volume. Look at that. We're usually getting 200 million, 100 million. It tells me like, okay, why is this random volume coming in? Someone knows something, okay? So we should have a nice little move up. All right, guys, as always, make sure you share this video out, share it to social media. Put it on the Reddit forum, StockTwits, Instagram, whatever you want to do. This right here is how I catch continuation trends. Let people know like this stock is not dead. Just because a stock went from 80 cents all the way down to 26 cents doesn't mean it's dead. That's just me getting a bottom reversal. I like that. I didn't want to buy BYND all in here. I like to wait for the crucial EMAs of 20 or 50, and I'd like to look for, okay, there's a gap fill. That's an easy way to target. Boom, support right on the gap with the 50. It was just a very easy support area to get in. And end of the day, take my trade, and then boom, and it's just looking amazing. So share this out. This stock's not done. This is my favorite uptrending stock to take. Monster area of support. It's looking like a doji candle. So indecision of where do we want to go? Are we going to go up or down? Your guess is as good as mine. I'm guessing up due to what I see on the chart. So this also looks like a nice little breakout. You can definitely see that there's a switch in breaking out. That to me looks like a breakout to the upside. Anyways, guys, join the Discord. I post all my trades live. As you can see, got in BURU at 28 cents. I posted the chart to make you guys a little confident. And BURU got squeezed. The bears got squeezed. I'm up a good bit on this one. And I'm just scaling out as it goes up, putting my stop loss break even so I can hold for this wave. I don't know how high this can go, but you want to take profit as it goes. All right. Join the Discord. Hit the link in the or YouTube comments below, and in the description it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Hit how to subscribe and hit day trade alerts. You will get access to everything, guys. Swing trades, day trades, live streams. You're gonna get the education. I think you guys will learn a lot. A lot of people tell me this is probably the cheapest ever, and it is. I know it is. I know for what I'm offering, the win ratio I'm getting, the monster gains we're picking out. I mean, this strategy that I'm showing is the band strategy. It works. Obviously, I like the lower band strategy the best. These are the extreme oversold areas, and that's how I caught BYND, right? If people ask me like how did you even catch that? It's because it was in an extreme oversold area, right? Every time these stocks get into these areas, there's a good chance that it could make a pump. Obviously, I use more data than that, but you can see the different types of stuff. Now, this is doing what BURU is doing, going up, coming back down to a pullback, into a massive move to the next leg higher. So never chase a stock when it's up in these bands. Never buy it in here. These bands are to protect you. Always wait for price to pull back, which is called the bull flag and consolidation phase. All right, guys. Hope to see you guys in the Discord. Definitely join. Hit how to subscribe. It's only $12 a month, and you'll get access to everything. Use your computer to subscribe for an all-time low cost of $12 a month. I will see if it might go up in price. I don't know. We're getting lots of members going in. I want serious members. I want people that are serious and not just copy my trades. I want you to watch my videos. I have all the education videos in here, all neatly arranged so you can watch it all. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing, guys. We have lots of people, thousands of members doing this. So usually when we post something, we also do accumulate a lot of volume, and we do create a nice little solid demand support zone here, which is nice. So. All right, guys. I'll hope to see you guys in the next video. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment, share it out to your friends. Post it on social media. This is BURU analysis that's working perfect for me right now. I'm loving this stock. 500 million volume today. I expect another billion volume in the future with a catalyst. All right, guys. I'll see you out. I'll be going live in the Discord tomorrow, so I'll see you then.